Look at that. Wheel spin there. Oh, look at that. Rev it a little bit. What's happening, guys? Welcome back, and it feels like it's been a while, but today we have this awesome BMW 330e. Right, we have the owner here. His Instagram's on my bio there. Right, so take us through first impressions of the car. What have you done to it so far?
So far what I've done is I've got it wrapped.
Right. It's a sick wrap actually, Duracell.
Because it is a 330e plug-in hybrid.
Right.
Hence why.
Oh yeah.
Duracell.
Oh shit. Bloody hell. So what are the wheels then? Tell us about the wheels.
The wheels are Veman VS66.
Right.
Pain in the arse to clean, but
I bet, I bet, and very easy to curb.
Yeah. But yeah, 19-inch, 8.5J at the front, 9.5J in the rear.
The wrap is sick. The wrap is so sick. Duracell Plus. The wheels are nice. It's a nice fit actually. Obviously the car is slammed on air suspension, right?
That is correct.
Obviously we'll get straight to it. Obviously you've got the GTS, obviously lights. Yeah. You've got the twin, obviously exhaust. But do you want to open the bonnet and show people what's happening in the sorry, the bonnet, the boot? Look at that. That is so sick. We'll show a little video of the car obviously when it drops and stuff. I think people want to see that. So that's all controlled from inside from your phone,
that
right?
Is correct, yeah.
Nice. When did you get that done?
Oh, April this year.
That is pretty sick actually. That is pretty sick. Other than that, so obviously the wrap, obviously it's slammed. In terms of performance wise, it's stage 2, right? Tuned by
Evolve Automotive.
Okay, Evolve Automotive. What's it pushing roughly?
388 brake, about 600 Newton meters torque.
That's, oh shit, 600. Okay, that's not that bad. Obviously they all, because I thought they were X-Drive, but they're rear wheel drive.
They are rear wheel drive.
Okay,
yes.
fair enough. So I know you mentioned you went to Sandpod as well.
That is Sandpod, yeah.
And you did quarter mile.
Quarter mile, quickest I've done it is 13.1 seconds.
Which is not that bad. Which is not that bad. You had the air suspension then, right?
I didn't. No. It was on lowering IBAC springs at the time.
Fair enough. No, fair enough. We'll do a little sound test on it, and then obviously we'll get to the interior and blah blah. Go there you go. Rev it a little bit. Oh! One more. You're flamed. Right, so going into the interior, take us through it. What's happening?
So we have twinkle starlights.
Nice.
We have dry carbon 3M wrap, which
it's a nice touch actually compared to what they're grey, aren't they? Or is it black?
Yeah, it's a metal. It's like a silver metal finish.
Right.
And then we have the Android screen.
Oh, nice.
Just touch.
See, I need to get that for my 140 actually. Mine's a bit basic. Everyone says I've got a poverty spec, but
these are pretty good. So you can always have Google Maps up, and then if you want to split it.
That is wicked actually. You make me jealous. Right, so we've got honestly the interior. You haven't done much with it.
I haven't done much.
No, fair enough. And in terms of the air suspension, do you want to take us through it? If you give me 1 sec, I'll come around the car.
Yeah.
It's a 630 actually. Right, so take us to the air suspension. So
everything's kind of preset.
Okay, yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, there you go. The car's raising. What you could do is actually, I say, completely slam it, so obviously the people can see.
Let me go from behind.
Yeah, go on then. Feels like you're in an SUV, innit? That's it. Oh, look at that. I'll take people through it. Obviously you can't drive it like this, but it's always worth showing people. Look at that. It looks hard. And obviously he didn't show about obviously the carbon front splitter as well, which is a really nice touch, and obviously the nice carbon bits here, so it looks really, really good. It's a cool looking car. Fucking hell, man. It pulls really well. Right, so obviously this is your daily car.
Yeah.
In terms of like fuel wise, what's it doing? We'll start off with the hybrid system first, with the hybrid motor, e-drive, what I call it. What are you averaging in terms of distance?
From fully charged,
Yeah.
100% usually gives me about 13 miles max at the moment.
so not a lot. Then.
Not a lot. But when it was stock, it was doing about 20 miles, which is very decent.
Nice.
In terms of fuel economy, it's been about 20 miles to the gallon.
Which is
full send.
Huh? Wait, what? 20 miles per gallon?
20 miles per gallon.
What, average driving or like full sending it?
Full sending it.
Okay, fair. Okay, to be fair, okay, that's probably still better than mine. Mine probably does about 15 if I'm full sending it. 10
and if I'm not full sending it, probably about 30 miles to the gallon.
Right, so in terms of like fuel, it's okay for a stage 2 4-pot engine. Not that bad. But I want to talk about the exhaust. So so obviously it was done by my mate James at JC Customs.
That is correct. Yeah.
So it's in terms of the exhaust setup. Obviously it's got a decat.
It has, yes.
One muffler, you said, or resonator.
It's got a tiny little resonator.
Okay,
inside.
and what about the back? What about the?
And then the rest
no
of
back
it's
box.
Straight, no back
Yeah, I was going to say you can definitely feel the drone. I'm not going to deny that one. My car's quite loud when you're driving normal, so you can tell there's definitely nothing. There's nothing there anymore. So this is your daily. So like in terms of driving, what's the drone like on a regular? Is it? You get used to it.
To be fair, because I drive a lot in London, most of the time it is sitting in electric, so I don't hear it.
You don't hear it much, do you?
But on the motorway, you hear the drone.
Bloody hell, man! Nice. This is a cool car. I'm not even gonna deny the fact that it's a cool car, especially obviously the light. I really like the lights actually. No, fair enough. No, fair play to you. We'll chuck it right. Actually, we'll call it a minute. But go on, that's it. Oh. See what it's like performance. Wheel spin there. Not that bad. Not that bad at all. I think we've pretty much covered everything. Obviously the mods, obviously it's air suspension, the performance wise. I'm impressed. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously stay tuned and make sure to check out all his socials and all that good stuff. I think there's not much we can carry out more. Obviously we've kind of covered everything.
Yeah.
We've pretty much covered everything really. There's only so much we could do with this car because obviously it's a 330e. It's not a performance car, but it's quick. I'm not gonna lie. And I was quite shocked when it started flaming actually. Even the owner was quite shocked actually. But obviously stay tuned. I'm going to be posting the POV drive video of this car next week. So obviously stay tuned for that. Obviously check out all my socials, stuff like that.